this idea that you can go in and remove items from a panel or from a scan, and then insert new items into that panel. This is something that we hear from a lot of people, and it is something that we are actively working on. We announced, I think it was last summer, Project Genesis, which is utilizing the power of our generative AI engine to empower better property insights. And that was something that we realized and brought to market as part of our property intelligence release, which we came out 3 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago today, maybe. But the other thing that we announced again last year, short update in the winter release information, is around Project Genesis. And like I said, this is an important direction for the company. The power of the generative AI engine that we've developed is phenomenal. And we see this as being a real unlock, again, in property marketing, but in other areas and in other use cases for Matterport almost anywhere.